Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francesca and today I'm going to show you guys how to do this like animal print, oh that's not cute, animal print eyeshadow look. It's kind of like growing more popular, I guess. This is like a red cheetah print eyeshadow. You could do any color though, like purple, pink. I was gonna do purple, but I have a red dress that I wanted to like wear it with, so you know. Yeah, I really like the look because it's like fun and cute. If you want to know how to do it, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna be back when my eyebrows are done and then we can get on to the eyeshadow. Alright, so my phone just fell. Now that my eyebrows are on, I'm gonna take this Smashbox Photo Finish lid primer and light, put it on my eyelids, and then blend it out. My camera doesn't really focus on like little tiny things, so whatever I'm using, or if it doesn't focus, I'm just gonna put a little picture here in the corner somewhere. My eyelids are primed and ready to go. We're gonna start off with the eyeshadow. So the only palette that we're going to be using today is the James Charles Morphe palette with my Farrah 35E eyeshadow brush, and set up this like light brown shade. We're just going to put that like on the top of your eyelid. Just kind of swoop that all over your crease. So that transition shade is on and we're going to go with a different one but with a different brush. So, taking my SL Miss Glam SS57 eyeshadow brush, we're using the same palette. We're gonna go in with this like peachy shade here, very lightly with a light hand. We're gonna kind of swoop that over the whole lid. Now comes, I guess, like kind of like the fun part. So you can use either like a liquid eyeliner or like a pen. I'm gonna go in with a pen for this part. We're gonna do like the cheetah print. So with my Starlit Studio Art Boss face and body pencils in the color black. I don't really know how to explain the cheetah print. Really, it's just like little like semicircles and little like triangles that are not completed. Not like semicolons. Actually, yeah, kind of like the bottom part of the semicolon and random areas. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I guess follow along. Let's say I do like the little circle like this way. I'm gonna leave a little space and then I'm gonna finish it kind of like that. Little triangles kind of like that way. Like don't complete the triangle, just kind of. I recommend just like looking at cheetah prints and just kind of like following that design. I'm gonna try switching to like a liquid eyeliner because this is kind of hard to do. I'm gonna take my Mellow Precision Pen eyeliner and just keep on doing what I'm doing. So now that that eye is kind of done, I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be back when that one's done. So now taking this like angular like brush, back in with the James Charles palette, go in with this like red color, kind of like on the tip of that brush. Wherever there's like space in between lines, you're gonna like color that in with the red. Kind of like right there I would put red. With this like orangey shade on top of the red here, with an extremely light hand, just kind of pat over everything. Now with my I Do liquid eyeliner from Ico London Cosmetic. If I can get it open. It It'd be great. Then we're gonna create a little wing and then just line the rest of the eye. You don't have to go all the way to the beginning of your eye, just to like line most of it. I'm gonna do it on the other eye and I'm gonna be back when that's done. I'm not gonna do my mascara and lashes yet because I want to set my face with like mist and I don't want the mascara to get like wet and then, you know, like kind of drip. Don't want to take any risks. Let's move on to the face. Alright, so for the face, I do want like a matte base. Although I usually use moisturizer, I kind of wanted to try a primer and like see what happens. I don't really like primer, but we're gonna go for it. This is the Double Duty Beauty Tarte Base Tape. It's a hydrating primer. I'm not gonna put that all over my face. I'm just gonna put that kind of like here and here. I don't really want to put it on my forehead because Hiram told me that it was fungal acne. So I'm trying not to put like a lot of stuff on my forehead. I'm using the dandruff shampoo and I don't know if it's like working yet, but I've also only been using it for maybe like 4 days. After I put on my primer, I'm taking this CoverGirl Clean Matte Liquid Foundation in the color 520. The back of my hand first, and then I'm gonna dot that on my face. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild's foundation brush and buff that in. Now I'm gonna take a concealer. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color 15, which is fair. Right on the bottom here, I'm gonna put a little bit here and maybe like a dot down here. I always use the same concealer brush, but I don't know where it's from. It just kind of came in like a pack, so I don't really know where I got it from, but I'm gonna blend that out. It's like blended in, but with a beauty blender, I'm just gonna push that into my skin. I'm gonna take this MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. We're gonna set my under eyes with that. It comes in like a little thingy. So yeah, I'm just gonna set my under eye. So I did the color powder, and then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. And with this like powder brush, I'm gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna set my under eye again. I'm powdered up. Now next step is contour and bronzer. This is the Park Avenue Princess Tarte Bronzer. This is a contour brush. It's kind of like angled. That we're gonna take that, not a lot because this is kind of like really pigmented, but yeah. I always say front, like your sideburn, it's like a weird area, but your sideburn, like, but not on that line. You're not gonna go like that and then put it down here. You're gonna go like above that line and blend it down. I'm gonna take a red cream blush. I normally wouldn't take this kind of like blush, but it's the only red one I had. So this is from Victoria's Secret. This is just a Beauty Rush Cheek Tint. It's like a red color, but I'm not gonna put it directly on my cheeks. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand, and then with this like a stippling brush, I'm gonna take that and put it kind of like on top of the bronzer. The next step is going to be highlight, so I'm going to take this, the Balm Mary Lou Manizer, aka the Luminizer, whatever. It's this, it's this highlighter from the Balm. It's like a goldish color. On my SL Miss Glam B36 tapered highlight brush, I'm going to put that where the sun hits my face. So, oh, can you see all the glitter, or is it just me? Skip the highlight on your nose for now because I'm gonna contour my nose. You don't have to contour your nose. Put a highlight on if you're not gonna contour, but I'm just gonna contour. So now that I said that, I'm gonna contour my nose. I know this is a foundation brush, but I just use it for contouring because it has a flat tip. using this e.l.f. foundation brush, this Bella Pierre Cosmetics Contour and Highlight Pro palette, and using the lightest like brown shade here, I'm going to take that and I'm just going to start at the beginning of my eyebrow and work my way down. I'm also going to take some here and some on the bottom of my nose too, like right there. I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but we're gonna go with like powder. So with my under like this side, this is from Real Techniques, by the way, I didn't say that before, but taking that same pro palette, I'm gonna go with like a mix between this one and the lightest like nude color. I'm going to just carve out my nose. That looks really funny. I'm with the brush that I use for my powder, I'm gonna rub that off. If you want to make it a little bit more natural, take the blush that you were using before and with that same stippling brush, rub a little blush on your nose. So now you're gonna highlight your nose. Now you're done with the face and we're gonna set it. To make it matte, I'm gonna use my NYX Matte Finish Spray. Now that your face is done, you can go in with your mascara and your lashes. To prime my eyelashes, I take this Voluminous Lash Paradise Primer and I'm going to prime my eyelashes with that. So the mascara that I'm going to be using today is the Damn Girl mascara from Too Faced. I'm not going to use a lot of it, it's just to like give a coat before I put my eyelashes on because the eyelashes I'm using today are like pretty dramatic. The eyelashes I'm going to be using are the Remy Rose Glam Lashes in Leslie. They're just these ones. I'm going to put them on and I will be back when they're on. Alright, the lashes are on. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of finishing touches to the eye before we go on to the lips. So with that flat eyeshadow brush that we were using before, with the James Charles palette and that same like flat eyeshadow brush, with the red shade here, and like very lightly just kind of like put that on the bottom. The same like eye pencil that I used before, I'm just gonna line my waterline. To finish off the look, we're gonna go in with lips. I'm taking this Remy Rose cream lipstick in the color Nicole. It's like a red. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Okay, so this lipstick is kind of like bright. I'm not really digging it. It's too bright. Like, I don't... Then we're gonna switch it up. Let's do it again. How we did it in a one night stand. This is just a regular, like, red lipstick. I don't like it either. This is what really goes on behind the scenes. Okay, maybe this one works better. I know what to do. I know what to do. I have returned with a different solution. I'm not gonna use red. I'm gonna use brown. This is the MAC lipstick in the color Whirl. And I'm still gonna go on with that like Morphe gloss. I think I got it. Period. I'm gonna fix my hair and I'll be back for the outro. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know the end kind of got a little crazy because it wasn't planned out very well, but comment what you guys want me to do next. Like if you found it helpful and subscribe if you want to. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.